Total Jet Management is a holistic approach to aircraft management for private jet owners. It encompasses the management of their aircraft crew, maintenance, charter revenue, and their personal flying.
The Total Jet Management platform can give you real-time data, so you don't have to wait 4, 5, 6 months to see what your plane's doing. We can give you real-time data to make decisions that day or that month.
It's all digital. It's very easy to read. You know exactly how much you've spent in maintenance, what it costs for crew payroll, like all of these things are very detailed out.
The typical owner has to usually wait about a month to get that data. We can give it to you the same day. We're collecting all the data in every single day, every single flight in real time, and we can deliver that mechanism in a very organized manner.
By having the approach where we look at every aspect of revenue and expense to the aircraft, we're able to give them a much more concise picture of what their airplane performance is on a financial basis. It gives them greater efficiencies of scale and better revenue streams to be able to offset their expenses.
Our program is completely customizable based on the aircraft owner's needs. If you want to be in full charter, we can do that. If you want to use your plane over only 100 hours a year or 200 hours a year, you'll have a completely different proposal and format.
We have a team that's been doing this for years. People who are the top of each of the divisions, best maintenance company, best operations, best charter side, best dispatch side.
Every company can ask what makes us different. Our difference is delivering a product that's transparent and efficient.
As a Total Jet Management customer, you have access to our entire fleet. So if you have a trip that requires a smaller airplane or a larger airplane than the one you own, you can use any one of our airplanes at a substantial discount.
At the end of the day, Total Jet Management means to the client a competitive edge and a cost-effective operations.
We like to say that it's your jet, tell us how to run it. So every client wants something different, and we're able to accommodate that through each of our departments.
Other aviation companies don't do this. I have yet to see technology implemented into an aviation company. So the advantage of Total Jet Management is giving the owners what they've been asking for. They've been asking for a true transparent process, which translates into cost savings and true efficiencies.